Vivo X Fold 2. 8.03 inches foldable LTPO AMOLED display. UFS 4.120 watts fast charging. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Dimensions. Height 6.106 inches. Width 5.122 inches. Thickness 0.248 inch. Weight 263 grams. Display size: unfolded 8.03-inch display, folded 6.53-inch display. Display type: foldable LTPO AMOLED, 120 Hz, HDR10 plus display. Screen to body ratio 88%. Resolution 1916 by 2160 pixels. Refresh rate 120 Hz refresh rate. PPI 360 pixels per inch density. Brightness 1750 nits brightness. Performance: RAM 12 GB RAM LPDDR5. Storage 256 GB 512 GB UFS 4. Operating system: Android 14. CPU: Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. GPU: Adreno 740. Charging: 4800 mAh battery charging, 120 watts wired, 50 watts wireless, 10 watts reverse wireless charging. Camera: rear camera 50 megapixels, f1.8, wide, OIS 8 megapixels, f3.4, periscope, OIS 5x, optical zoom 12 megapixels, f2.0, telephoto 2x, optical zoom 48 megapixels, f2.2, 14 mm 114, ultra wide 8K at 30 fps, 4K at 30/60 fps, 1080p at 30/60 fps, gyro AIS. Front camera 16 megapixels, f2.5, 1080p at 30 fps. Wi-Fi